Hi, it's Zach here with a really incredible deal on the wireless waterproof speaker with dancing LED lights. This is by far my all-time favorite speaker for a whole number of reasons. First and foremost, it is completely waterproof and it floats. So you can bring this to the pool or the beach, have it floating on top of the water and playing all of your tunes. And the other cool thing about this is that it actually has an underlit LED light display that dances along to the beat of the music. And when you have this in water, it looks absolutely incredible and it sounds incredible too. That's my other favorite part about this speaker. Even though it's compact and waterproof, the sound quality on here is unmatched. It is absolutely beautiful. It's deep bass and it's super clean. You have to hear it to believe it. And the light display in here, like I said, is really awesome. That's another thing that's a little bit hard to capture on the camera. We are going to use this tank here to show you how it looks in an enclosed environment. But if you have this in your pool and you're right there next to it, it looks awesome. Now this speaker is rechargeable, and the cool thing about that is that it has this heavy duty rubberized cover that goes over the charging port, so no water is going to get in there. Now on the side of the speaker you do have onboard media keys, so you can play, pause, skip track, and even adjust the volume directly from the speaker itself, so you don't have to hop out of the pool and go grab your phone to skip a track. And there's also a call answer button as well as a built-in microphone, so if you get a call while you're in the pool, you just hit that button and you can have the conversation directly through the speaker itself. Now outside of the pool you can also use this in the shower. It comes with a little rubberized hanging hook, and it's great to just use on a tabletop as well. It has these little rubberized feet which inhibit movement so that sound quality stays awesome. You're not going to have any rumbling or anything like that, and it sounds fantastic. Now we have a fantastic deal on this Bluetooth speaker, and I know you're absolutely going to be loving it. You're going to use it all year round, so head on over to the site, grab yours today.